Alright. Roman numeral number 10. What? What's that?
H.
Check. How about Roman numeral number 15? Answer mo na.
15.
Oh. Ano yan?
This one is XB.
XV. How about 150?
150. CL.
CL. Check. How about 159? What's that there? 159.
C.
L.
O. I. X.
Check. How about
Wait.
what? How about
Wait.
yeah?
Sorry. Hi.
Mommy, nothing can touch my
Howdy. Future Alonzo.
How about 1,155?
1,135.
Yes. Roman numeral.
M.
And
let's wait for me when I finish 8.
Alright.
1,155.
C.
C.
L.
L.
B.
Check.
What?
1,100. Roman numeral number. How about
Not yet.
Roman numeral number 2,000?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Finish.
Alam ko lang
Finish.
habang X.
How about last na lang? 2,200.
Alam ko lang ano.
2,200.
2,200.
9.
What did you say again?
2,209.
C, and then
9.
I, X.
Again, 2,209. Final answer.
M, C,
CC. CC.
I, X.
Check.
That
I don't know that.